Morning, guys. Alright, you guys, I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kelly. I brought you guys with me for my morning. We did a Peloton ride, which I love. Spinning, I feel like it's such a great workout. I was wearing my new Fabletics fit, which I shared over on my TikTok, so be sure to check it out. But I am currently planning on doing daily videos for the month of September, so definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, get notified because I'm going to be uploading every single day. But I thought it'd be such a fun way to start the month with a day in my life vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I did curl my hair and put some makeup on, but I want to share with you guys what I'm wearing. You guys are getting a little bit of a sneak peek because this is going to be in Saturday's clothing haul. I got these new items. So this sweater is from American Eagle. I think it's so cute and perfect for fall. I love oatmeal-y sweaters like this. And then these pants, you guys, I found these at TJ Maxx and I'm obsessed with them. They are like a neutral colored camo and they're like cargo pants because they have all these pockets of them, but they also are like joggers because they have a little fit on the bottom. And then I just have on my platinum Jack Rogers since it's still a little warm here, but I love this fit. And then I have on my Daniel Wellington watch, my J. Crew gold chain, and then 2 Lily and Laura bracelets. My fingernails are painted red. I got them done about 2 weeks ago, I think, and they are candy apple. And it's DD32. They're gel, so gorgeous. I love them. But that is the fit. For me, today's kind of like a content planning day and content filming day. So I filmed a few videos for my daily videos, but I also filmed a few TikToks. I'll show you guys a little behind the scenes and how I set it up and everything. And then I do want to share with you guys, as the title down below describes, I'm doing a giveaway. And I'm so excited because I usually do a back to school giveaway, but since this is my first year not going back to school, we're going to be doing a like get your life together giveaway and just like some of my favorite items. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that. I want to share with you guys my TikTok filming setup. So my desk is right here. We were working there earlier, and then we have my dresser and our TV and everything. So this is where I put my ring light. Got it for Christmas, and I put my phone in here. I take the case off all the time. This is really cool because it changes this way, and how cute is our engagement photo? But I turn it on and there's this button right here, and it has 3 different settings, but then I'll just go to the TikTok app and film straight from here. And it's so fun because you can see like my whole fit if I were to do an OOTD. I want your guys' opinion because I really want to do one of those outfit series where every single day you post and it's like day 1 of styling fall outfits, and then day 2, day 3, all of that kind of stuff. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see that. Follow me over on TikTok, which is just at Kelly_Prepster. But I just feel like that would be so much fun and such a fun way to keep me posting every single day. And I also have these super cute flowers, you guys. Aren't they just stunning? John got them for me. I love them. I switched over to my black Teddy Blake purse for fall. I'm just so in the fall mindset, you guys. Okay, so earlier today I treated myself to a McDonald's fountain Diet Coke. Seriously, one of my favorite treats for filming days. It just gets me so energized with a little bit of caffeine. And they have a coupon on the McDonald's app, which I love the McDonald's app, a little secret, but they have so many deals. So currently where I am, they have a buy one get one free. So I picked up John a Diet Coke as well to get the day started. But I wanted to sit down and share with you guys what I picked up for the giveaway. I am so excited because we went to two of my favorite places and I'm just so grateful to have you guys over here on my channel. You guys seriously mean the world to me and I love you guys so much. I wanted to do a little giveaway since I always do a back to school giveaway, and since I'm not in school anymore, it just didn't feel fitting, and I know a lot of you guys are growing up as well. So this is going to be like getting your life back together, kind of a little bit of stationery, a little bit of everything, some self-care, and they're all of my favorite products. So I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. I will have all the rules in the description box for you guys. It's going to be super simple and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I picked out. But I also wanted to do a giveaway because with my Instagram getting deactivated, I feel like I have been totally MIA. I didn't document any of it, but it's just been an emotional roller coaster and I'm just so excited to get back into the swing of things. I think I finally have like let it go, and I know that sounds really dramatic, but it was really like one of those things that it just really knocked me out. So I'm excited back and I'm excited to be doing it with daily videos. So to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button down below, turn the notification bell on so you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video, and let me know in the comments down below of this video what is a video that you want to see this fall and winter. I really want to start sharing some more preppy fashion lifestyle content, so I want to hear from you guys what you want to see because I love filming content that you guys enjoy. And then also follow me over on my new Instagram, Kelly_Prepster, and comment on one of the posts that you have entered the giveaway so that way I can contact you if you are the winner. Please do not put your email down below in the comments. There are scammers and I don't want you to get scammed. People will go by and email you, so do not do that. I will contact you off of my new Instagram if you are the winner. So with that being said, I'm so excited to share with you guys what I picked up. I thought Lily Pulitzer was fitting since this is like the brand that started Kellyprepster. So first off, they come in really cute reusable bags now, which is such a game changer. I love these. So whoever wins will be getting this super cute bag. It'll be like a great little lunch bag if you are in school or working. And I picked up this super fun pink tumbler, and this is in the print Show Me Something Good, and I just thought that was so fitting. Like, not only is it pink, but it's like, tell me something good. Let's start this month with good news. And then I wanted to include some liquid IV. This is in my favorite flavor, acai berry. There's 8 of these. They're hydration drinks. You just pour it into water, and on my TikTok I share a lot of like hydration reminders. I thought this would be a perfect thing. And I have a blue Lily cup that I got for Christmas, so we can kind of like twin on that. I just thought that would be so fun. So these are part of the giveaway. And then I went to Target, which is one of my favorite places to go shopping. And I've been eyeing this, and I hope whoever gets this likes it, and you have to tell me if you like it, if I should go buy it. But it says notes, to do, and memo, and they're like 3 separate little notepads, and I think they're so cute. Again, we're getting our life back together. We are getting organized. We are going to be getting stuff done. We're going to be productive. So I thought this would be fitting. Super cute. Of course, I had to include my favorite pens, which are the G2 pens, and these are 0.7. So your handwriting is going to look chef's kiss. And then I wanted to throw in some self-care, so I got some eye patches. These are my favorite. Maybe if we do another giveaway, I'll buy an ice roller since I love those. And then I wanted to include this pink face mask. It's so cute. It's got a little panda bear on it. And then lastly, I wanted to include my favorite lip gloss that I always rave about. So I bought this for you guys, and it is the Pixie by Petra Lip Lift Max in Honey Sheen. This is my go-to shade. But I don't remember paying as much as I did for it when I bought it. It was $17. Like, okay, but worth every penny. Is that like a normal price for lip gloss? Like, I don't buy high-end stuff, so let me know. But I just thought that would be such a fun giveaway. So again, the description box has all of the rules. I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. I feel no pressure to enter. I just wanted to give back to you guys because I'm so beyond grateful for every single one of you guys. I just am so lucky to have you and guys follow along. So happy for this community, and I just can't wait to see where this month takes us with the daily videos. I really am getting like throwback vibes with how I used to do daily videos all the time. But also, if you guys followed me over on TikTok, but I did share it on Shorts, you might have seen this video. We just made an impulse purchase of this 8-piece sectional from Costco. It is a cloud couch dupe. I'm so excited. It was on sale. It's getting delivered on Friday, so stay tuned for part 2. And we bought a couch, so I want to share with you guys what it looks like. You're seriously the first people to see this. I'm so excited to show it to you. So we bought a new couch. It's from Costco. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, isn't it so gorgeous? So this is the cloud couch dupe. I actually saw it on TikTok. We put our Peloton over there, and we have our Oliver gal. It is an 8-piece sectional. It's huge. Here we still have the tag on it, so it's from Thomasville, and it's just a really nice couch. And we threw our blanket on it. It's just so comfy. So we just spent a lot of our time on our new couch.
We've watched like 5 movies on it already. And I think on our old couch we watched like 5 movies the whole year combined.
Yeah, and our old couch was from IKEA. It's seriously so pretty. I will put a picture on the screen of what it looked like, but it just was not comfy. We both couldn't lay on
just
it.
Sat straight up on it. There was no like lounging back on the couch.
I think it was one of those like rookie mistakes when you first move out together. We went for stylish rather than comfort, and I feel like this couch is very trendy, but it's very comfy, and I think it's worth the hype.
There's a reason it's trendy.
Yeah, I found it off TikTok. And I sent it to John. I was like, can we please get this?
And then we took advantage of the sale, and 2 weeks later, here we are.
So if you're a Costco member, I don't think it's online anymore, but they did sell it at Costco.
Yeah, we got the last one they had.
Yeah, so we just been hanging out. Yep. It's so comfy. With doing daily videos, I gave myself a new banner on my YouTube channel, and it says daily videos, Kellyprepster. Life doesn't sparkle unless you do. So definitely go subscribe. We're so close to 21,000, and I just thought that looked so cute. So I've been working on that along with some editing. I use Final Cut Pro to edit all my videos, so I'm currently working on editing today's video. And it's got the cutest PR package from Kiss, and it says bring the salon home. And you guys, they have a new lash masterpiece, One Kind of Luxe lash. This is kind of funny, it looks like my head. Okay, anyways, super cool. I am so excited to be on their PR list, so huge shout out to Kiss products. I will have them tagged below, but they sent over some lash adhesive, and then the Super Flex lash adhesive in black, which I've always wanted to try this because it's kind of like eyeliner as well. So we have these, and these are most mink-like. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I used to put fake lashes on all the time if you guys used to watch my old videos, and I honestly think I have lost that ability to put them on, so I'll have to practice. These are stunning. Oh my. And then we have the last ones, which these are really, really pretty. So maybe I'll have to practice putting these on. A huge shout out to Kiss for sending these to me. I'm so grateful. Such a fun little surprise to get in the mail. All right, you guys, it has been quite a bit. We just got back from my family's. We went over to have family dinner. It was so delicious. It
was amazing.
And we have been sitting on the couch since. I just posted it to TikTok and Instagram. So we just kind of been sitting, relaxing, chilling, maxing off cool.
Just relaxing.
But we are currently watching our favorite YouTubers, Rhett and Link.
Good mythical
morning.
morning.
I'm gonna share with you guys what it looks like.
Good mythical summer.
We are gonna watch this, and I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this daily vlog, day in my life. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and enter my giveaway.
Enter the giveaway.
Yes, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next daily video. Bye guys.